With us here is Father Goody, OP, a Dominican priest assigned in Manawag, Pangasinan, 87 years old, and has been more than 50 years as a priest. Father Goody, can you share with us something, the secret of being a priest? The kind of, what's the secret? How to make yourself happy at this moment? You're 86, and you seems always happy, huh?
Yeah, because I'm sure God will take me to Himself.
Mhm. So the feeling and the thinking that God always cares for you will make you always be happy.
Of course.
So we must always think that God cares for us, and God never abandons us.
Of course.
Mhm. So anything else we want to share to people, or especially who are experiencing difficulty in life?
Oh, yes. Tell them, go to God and say, Lord, I surrender myself to you. I am useless. I am nobody. I am no one cares for me. That is what I feel. I'm abandoned. So please take care of me. For you alone. And you alone is my shepherd.
Oh, that's it. So thank you very much, Father Goody.